Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 2041106 for management class 22B. Here I will explain about homogeneous and non-homogeneous tests. The homogeneity test is a statistical method used to reveal whether the variance between data groups are homogeneous or uniform. In a statistical context, homogeneous refers to the similarity of variance between groups of data. Homogeneous tests are often used before applying certain statistical analysis. Homogeneous tests generally produce statistical value and p-values. The p-value is used to determine whether the difference in variation within groups of data is statistically significant or not. If the p-value is low, we can conclude that the difference is significant and homogeneity is not met. Several methods commonly used for homogeneity tests include the Levene test, Bartlett test, and the Flickr-Cleland test. The selection method depends on the data distribution and its characteristic. The homogeneous test method is usually used to assess the uniformity of a sample of population. One common method used is a variance test such as the F-test or Bartlett test. The homogeneous test aims to determine whether the variation between groups or samples are the same or different. The F-test is usually used when the variance are considered equal, while the Bartlett test is used when the variants are considered unequal. The process involves comparing variance between groups in the hope of finding consistent uniformity. An example of a homogeneous test method involves using a statistical test such as analysis of variance ANOVA to identify whether there is a significant difference between the means of the group. Non-homogeneous test. The non-homogeneous test in a statistical context is used to test whether the variation between groups or treatment in a experience are homogeneous or non-uniform. This test is important in statistical analysis because the assumption of homogeneous variance is none of the basic assumption of many analysis methods such as analysis of variance ANOVA. If the non-homogeneity test of significant difference in variability between groups, then there is an indication that the assumption of homogeneity of variance is not met. In this situation, research need to consider using more appropriate analysis methods such as ANOVA analysis, which can handle cases of non-uniformity of variance. Commonly used non-homogeneous tests are Levene test and Bartlett test. Levene is more resistant to deviation for a normal distribution, while Bartlett requires the assumption of normality. Both are to test whether variation between groups are significant or not. Non-homogeneous test methods are generally used to difference in variation between two or more groups of data. One commonly used method is Levene test, which tests whether the variance between groups are the same or not. If the significance value is low, we can conclude that the group have different variance indicating inhomogeneity. Other methods such as Bartlett test may also be used depending on the assumption and characteristic of the data. Non-homogeneous test method refer to technique or procedure using to determine whether variation between group treatment are significantly different. It is often used in the context of experiment of studies involving several groups or conditions that may meet to homogeneous in certain characteristics. It is important to design experience carefully to minimize potential non-homogeneous factor and use statistical method appropriate to the type of data and research objective. Okay, that's all the explanation from me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.